Oxford City is located in central southern England. The home of Oxford University, established in the 12th century. Come and walk with us around the Radcliffe Camera Area. The Radcliffe Camera is a working library and part of the Bodloon Library Complex. We first walk along St. Mary's Passage, which is often linked to C.S. Lewis, and The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. We walk into the library's old school quad, where we see the Tower of the Five Orders. We look at the side gate of All Souls College. Then go into All Souls main quad where the amazing sundial sits. It dates from 1658, when Wren was a Fellow of All Souls. It took our breath away when we walked into All Souls Chapel. Hertford Bridge is often referred to as the Bridge of Sighs, and is a sky bridge joining two parts of Hertford College. But more important is St. Helen's Passage that leads to the Turf Tavern. They say they have welcomed the literary elite, politicians, presidents and movie stars since 1381. The only one who never left is Rosie, the resident ghost who still waits for her lover to return.
You can come and sit at a table and order it all from the table. I don't have to queue.
Finally, you will see a variety of night shots.